everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Samruta and I'm from Goa. So this is my first ever long video. So this channel is going to be all about travel and lifestyle. So recently I went on a trip to Jaipur and Ranthambore with my family. So I thought I'll show you guys what all I got from Jaipur. So let's get started. So first is this Jaipur bedsheet which we got for around 2750. This was hell expensive, but the print on this is really good. Next up are these two bedsheets which we got for around 1500. This is the print. It has elephants on it. And this is the other one. So next are these suit sets, and this one is green in color and it costed me around 2000 rupees. Again, very expensive. This is the pant and this is the dupatta. This suit set cost me around 1000 rupees. So again, this is green in color. This is how it looks. This is the pant. This is the dupatta. So dupatta is very short. So I'm thinking of, adding some lace on both the sides so that, it will become slightly long. So my mom got this skirt which was for 300 rupees. So my mom and my Masi, they both got this one matching. My mom also got this kurti and this was around for 1200 rupees. Coincidentally, everything is in the shades of green. I also got this jacket for my nephew. I think this was around for 650. It is kind of padded and it is both ways. So you can wear it both ways. And it also has a pocket here and here. I also got this cute shirt for my nephew. So it has all camels on it and this was for 300 rupees. And then I got this for my niece. So this is the typical Rajasthan design. Bandhani print. This is a skirt. And this is the dupatta. I think it cost me around 500 or 600. I don't remember exactly, but this is how it looks. Next up is footwear, and I got these Mojlis. This is very soft, and I thought that it can be worn both on jeans and Indian wear. And I also got these sandals. So both of these together I paid around 1450. So this is around, I think, 600 700 and this is around 800. It was very expensive, but I really liked them, so I got these. Moving on to bangles. How can you miss bangles when you're in Rajasthan? They have got such a beautiful collection of bangles. So these ones, I got them for around 200 rupees. Next are these ones. This was for 100 rupees and even this one was 100. These are a little similar in color, so they did not have another pair of this or this. So I just thought I'll buy these ones and make a set of these. Now let's move on to bags. So I got this one for 500. It's a sling bag and I wanted something to wear on saris or Indian wear, or even if you have like a sari which you can wear for party, you can also use this. These batwas which we got for gifting purpose, and this is for 100 rupees each. I think a lot of people these days in weddings, give these as return gifts, and these are really perfect for return gifts. We also got some decor items, and this is a cute little hand pump. So if you put water in this and if you do it like this, the water will come from here. This was for 250 rupees. I also got this soup. So basically this item, I think you keep it in weddings. So this was again for 250 rupees. We also got this wind champ thing, which was for just 50 rupees. Now some random stuff. We also got this pack of envelopes. Basically you use this in weddings, or if you want to put some money and gift for birthdays. So this is pack of 25 and it cost is around 70 rupees. Now let's move on to utensils. So this kettle, we got it for around 820 rupees. You can use it directly over gas, or you can just use it for decoration. You can put little flowers in this and it's going to look really great. We also got these puja items. So basically this is a plate and इसमें आप दिया जला सकते हैं, इसमें आप हल्दी और कुंकू भी डाल सकते हैं. So I think this whole thing cost us around 700 rupees. So these are separate pieces. Last but not the least, we also got these decoration umbrellas. You might have seen these in weddings, especially for Sangeet and Haldi, people put these and these look really beautiful. So it cost us around 100 rupees each. Let me open one and show you how it is. So this is how it looks. I also got these earrings for me and my sister. So I have two pairs of this. As you can see, there's like a slightly lavender purple color stone in this. It's actually silver and this cost me 1000 rupees for each pair. I think the overall shopping cost is a lot, especially the bed sheets and the suit sets. I'm not sure if this was your experience. We also actually couldn't go to Bapu Bazaar because we didn't have a lot of time. But next time, if I'm in Jaipur, I would like to explore Bapu Bazaar and all the other markets that we couldn't visit. I hope you guys liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share and like this video. I will see you next time. Bye.